Given these groups, gnathostomes, coelomates, animals, and deuterostomes, animals would correspond with answer choice number 1. This is the most basal group. So things such as plants, fungi, bacteria, etc. are not animals, but everything to the right of the point of number 1 would be. Then next, all higher animals have a body cavity known as a coelom and are therefore called coelomates. Of the coelomates, there are two groups. One group, the protostomes, includes arthropods and mollusks. The other group, the deuterostomes, includes the vertebrates. So deuterostomes would be the third answer choice. And gnathostomes refer to the jawed fish. So that group would be defined as everything above the jawless fish branch. So all jawed vertebrates are gnathostomes. The correct order of these groups would then be animals, coelomates, deuterostomes, and gnathostomes.